In the backstroke, the arms move alternately in the circular motion. One arm pulls underwater while the other recovers above the water. The hand enters the water above the head, sweeps outward and downward, and then pulls in an arc toward the body before recovering back above the water. The key is to keep the arms straight during the recovery and use continuous aerodynamic movement. Legs. The legs in the backstroke use a flutter kick, which is a fast alternating kicking motion. The leg should remain fairly straight with a slight bend at can during the upward motion. The kick is continuous with the feet alternating, one kicking upward while the other leg kicks downward. The kick helps to maintain body balance and propulsion. Whole body. The body remains mostly horizontal on the water surface with a slight undulating motion. The body should stay flat, is streaming line to reduce drag. The head is kept above the water looking upward. The rotation of the body helps the arms to pull more efficiently while the legs continue to flutter kick.